Hello, hello. Good evening. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Miss.
Thank you so much for joining this class. How is it going? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you tired?
I'm very happy, Miss.
What makes you happy, bro, Leo?
Because next day is a weekend.
Weekend. Yeah, same as we, same as we do. Yeah,
The finally
yeah.
weekend, Miss.
We can. Yeah. Same as me, bro. Yeah. That's what I feel right now. This is my last class. My duty finish after this class. So I can play game. I can do anything that I like. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I do on the weekend. But yeah, a little bit tired because my daughter has just arrived from camping. Jadi anak TK loh ada camping bersama semalam sama teman-temannya. Ya Allah, ada-ada aja ini ya TK-nya nih. Then directly, yeah, I need to wash my total clothes first before taking rest. Okay, family. What is family, guys? Family, family. Apa itu family?
Warga.
Hmm, keluarga. Hmm. We talk about family, family. Understand the usage of vocabulary about family in family trees. How many family members do you have?
I have five.
Five. Nah, okay. Five. The others participant? How many family members?
I have 5 members.
Five members. Oh, yang paling banyak saya. Seven members. Four siblings and my parents. Hmm.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
your small family or big family, you means
My own not my own family but my family from my parents, so my parents and four siblings here. So I have seven members with me in my family member. Are your grandparents healthy, guys?
my
Okay.
grandparents already
Oh,
died,
Pass
passed away,
away.
passed
Die.
away,
Pass away, die kayak apa aja nih, pass
passed
away.
away.
Yeah. Yeah, my grandparents too already pass away. Mhm. Okay, is your mother passing? Hey, is family important for you guys? Is it important or not important? Not
Is
important.
family is the most important
The most,
things
Miss.
Oh,
in my life,
iya.
Miss, mau nanya
especially
sekalian.
my children.
Oke, boleh.
More important atau very important? Boleh nggak dua-duanya atau pilih salah satu?
Oh, boleh. Pilih salah satu. Very
Oh, tapi
important
bisa
boleh.
di
Mm-mm.
bisa semua ya, Miss? Oke,
Benar.
yep, thank you.
Kalau more itu berarti di ada perbandingan. My family is more important than my work.
Yeah.
Dibandingkan,
Oh,
compare
oke, Miss.
dengan yang lainnya. My
Okay.
family is more important than others.
Yeah.
Oke, ya. Is your mother Fasi? Kalau very itu enggak, dia menjelaskan adjektifnya itu kalau memang penting. Is your mother Fasi? My mother very Fasi.
She
Ah,
is. Yes,
I
she
think my
is.
mother is no fussy, Miss.
Wah, lucky you are that your mother not Fasi. Okay, do you spend much time with your family?
Yes, I do.
You do. Okay. So, yeah, same as me. I spend much time with my daughter because I have long distance marriage with my husband. So only spend my time with my daughter. With my mother only twice a month. Yeah, when I have free time, so I visit my mother in my hometown. We live in different town. Okay.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
I
Miss,
see.
I want ask something.
What?
Family tree ini orang yang ada di rumah kita atau seperti orang tua tapi misalnya kan di rumah yang lain, saudara kandung tapi di rumah yang lain gitu.
Family tree from our parents. Family tree ini.
Oh,
If
berarti
you
orang
are
tua.
if you are married, we do not talk about family tree. This one. This is we talk about our family before we married.
Oh, oke.
Oh, I just alone, Miss. I don't have any
Yeah.
sibling.
Oh, you don't have any sibling. Oh,
Yeah,
you are the only child in your
yeah.
family.
I'm the only child in my
Same as
family.
my daughter will be the only child because I don't want to have a child anymore.
Why, Miss? Why?
So living cost is very, very high right now. So I need to think about when I have a child, one child again. So I need to think about the living cost. I need
Yeah,
to
yeah, I
fulfill
see.
the daily needs and anything here. At least they can study they can get a good education. So jangan cuma bikin melahirkan habis itu nggak diurus, nggak disekolahin. No, that's
Yeah.
why I say my daughter will be the only child because aduh sekolah anak nih kok nggak ada yang murah gitu loh guys.
So where do you live, Miss?
In Pare, itu small town here, Kecamatan Pare loh padahal. Kok ya nggak ada yang
Oh,
murah gitu kan. I deliver my daughter into private school.
oh,
Jadi di
why?
sekolah swasta ya you know kan the quality. Kalau di
Yeah, yeah,
negeri
yeah, yeah. The quality is
jam kos,
different.
libur, gurunya rapat, ada inilah, workshop lah. Waduh, stres itu.
Yeah, mostly, but not all, Miss. Mostly.
Ya, most of the time, liburnya banyak, guys. And I want to find a school that doesn't give homework. Susah kan?
Yeah.
Ya, saya masuk SD. And I say to her, nah, you want to study here or in another school? Saya bilang gitu. Kalau di sekolah lain apa Bunda? Ya nanti soft skillnya aja, lesnya banyak. Saya bilang gitu. Saya kasih tahu. Nanti lesnya berenang, piano, simpowa, sama your school subject. Saya bilang gitu. Aku mau yang
Mm.
ada les berenangnya berarti in another school. Iya nggak apa-apa. Jadi perbandingannya when you deliver this is my point of view. When you deliver your student, your kids into public school, give them soft skill. Jadi kasih soft skillnya banyak-banyakin. Sempoa. Jadi nggak apa-apa bayar ekstra, guru ekstra. Nah saya udah belajar sempoa itu. Susah
Public
kan?
school, sekolah
Public
swasta.
public school itu sekolah negeri, private school sekolah swasta.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Miss.
Negeri
New
itu
word.
public. Ya,
New word.
public school itu negeri, SD negeri, SMP negeri. Kalau private
Mm.
school sekolah swasta. Nah, saya actually I am really sad seeing her like pulang sekolah setengah 12 jam 2 les jam ini lah udah. Emang harus seperti itu ya udahlah nak yang penting you good gitu aja.
Yeah.
Ya, ya. This is talking when you want to have a baby more, like when you want to have children more, think about their life. Pikirin dulu hidupnya gimana. Can you guarantee them? Jangan tiba-tiba, aduh kita kesusahan, anaknya nggak bisa minum susu. No, don't. Ya. Gitu. Okay? So family is very
Okay.
important. Here are some vocabulary related to family member. Yuk, yang pertama, only left side aja yang baca. Left side. Siapa yang mau baca?
Oh,
Oke, Bro
Parents.
Birnet, Bro Birnet. Oke,
Yes,
yes.
Miss.
Mm-mm.
Parents is orang tua, mother, ibu, father, ayah, siblings, saudara kandung, brothers, saudara laki-laki, sister, saudara perempuan, relative, saudara jauh, uncle, paman, aunt, bibi, grandparents, kakek atau nenek, grandfather, kakek, grandmother, nenek, cousin, sepupu, spouse, pasangan atau suami atau istri, husband, suami, wife, istri.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Yang kedua, the green one. Oke, Miko, please. Miko, please.
Oke, Miss.
Miko, Miko, gak ada suaranya, Miko. Miko, mana Mikonya ini?
Halo,
Ya,
halo.
halo, Miko, please.
Oke, sudah terdengar?
Oke, clear, Miko.
Oke. Child, anak, son, anak laki-laki, daughter, anak perempuan, nephew, keponakan laki-laki, niece, keponakan perempuan, grandchild, cucu, grandson, cucu laki-laki, granddaughter, cucu perempuan, great grandfather, kakek moyang, great grandmother, nenek moyang, father-in-law, bapak mertua, mother-in-law, ibu mertua, brother-in-law, saudara ipar laki, sister-in-law, saudara ipar perempuan, son-in-law, menantu laki-laki, daughter-in-law, menantu perempuan.
Thank you, Sis Noni. Yang terakhir, Sister.
Oke, Miss.
Mhm.
Ex-husband, mantan suami, ex-wife, mantan istri, step-brother, saudara tiri laki-laki, step-sister, saudara tiri perempuan, step-parent, orang tua tiri, step-father, ayah tiri, step-mother, ibu tiri, step-child, anak tiri, step-son, anak tiri laki-laki, step-daughter, anak tiri perempuan, adopted child, anak adopsi, half brother or sister. What is the meaning, Miss?
Half brother or sister. Okay, continue.
Foster mother.
Thank you
I
so
don't know.
much. Nah, okay, you don't
Okay.
need to translate it. Ya, so bacanya hanya di sepupu. Sepupu itu bilangnya kasen, sabun kasem itu loh, sabun kasen.
Cousin.
Kasen. Sabun bayi itu loh. Kan
Yeah.
kasen. Nah, sabun kasen, sabun sepupu gitu. Daughter, nephew. Kalau keponakan laki-laki itu nephew.
Nephew. Oh,
Nephew. Nah,
nephew.
nephew. Nah, gitu. Itu aja sih kalau anaknya satu, child. Kalau anaknya banyak, maka bilangnya children. Ya, children. Gitu. Sama parents. Kalau parentsnya dua-duanya masih hidup, maka bilangnya parents. Ada S-nya. Tetapi kalau your father already die atau your mother already pass away gitu, bilangnya jadi parent. Nggak ada S-nya. Parent aja. Terus ada adopted child, anak adopsi, anak angkat, half brother or sister. Kalau di luar negeri namanya, kalau bahasa Indonesianya saudara-saudara. Kalau di Indonesia tiri, kayaknya. Saudara-saudara itu jadi bapak ibu bercerai, ibunya nikah lagi, punya anak. Nah, itu anaknya itu adalah half brother kita atau half siblingnya kita.
Oh, setengah sibling,
Nah,
setengah tiri.
jadi dari bapak saja atau dari ibu saja.
Saja.
Half brother, half sister. Foster mother,
Ibu angkat.
angkat. Iya. Zafran, boleh baca. Silakan Zafran. Zafran, number 1
Yes,
till
yes.
number 10.
Sorry, Miss. I just joined.
Number 1 till number 10, bro.
Okay, number 1, great uncle or aunt.
Mm-mm.
Number 2, godparent. Number 3, kinsman.
Mm-mm.
Number 4, ancestor. Number 5, descendant. Number 6, distant relative. Number 7, blood relative. Number 8, fiancé.
Yeah.
Fiancé or fiancé?
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. Fiancé. Number 9, nuclear family. Number 10, extended family member.
Okay, thank you. Keisha, please.
11 sampai 20 ya, Miss?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
11 guardian, 12 family tree, 13 siblings, 14 widow or widower, 17 twin, 18
Mhm.
lineage, 19 wedding, 20 marriage.
Oke, great uncle, great aunt. Artinya apa, guys? Kakek paman. Kalau di bahasa Jawa itu apa? Bukan. Adiknya Mbah itu loh. How to say it kalau Jawanya?
Om.
Pak D.
Bule, Pak Le, Mbah, Mbah kecil. Nah, gitu. Mbah kecil. Nah, kakek tapi kakeknya adiknya kakek. Nah, kakeknya kita tapi adiknya bukan kakeknya itu. Nah, itu great uncle, great aunt, godparent. Godparent, 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 godparent.
Orang tua angkat.
Godparent adalah bukan orang tua angkat tadi. Foster parent tadi. Godparent meaningnya orang tua baptis. Buat yang Kristen tuh, godparent, orang tua baptis. Kinsman. Kinsman.
Ya,
Kinsman. Kerabat atau saudara laki-laki. Ancestor.
Leluhur apa, Miss?
Leluhur. Descendant. Descendant. Keturunan. Ya, descendant keturunan. Makanya apa? Judulnya itu judul film Korea Descendant of the Sun, keturunan matahari kan? Film Korea tuh, film sinetron Korea. Oke, distant relatives.
Kerabat jauh.
Yes, benar. Blood relatives. Saudara kandung atau saudara. Blood relative. Fiance bacanya tadi. Fiance and fiancé. Fiance tunangan laki-laki. Kalau double E baru tunangan perempuan. Fiancé. Nuclear family.
Keluarga inti.
Keluarga inti ayah ibu anak. Extended family.
Anggota keluarga.
Ya, keluarga banyak. Ya, banyak sekali. Tidak nuclear family. Ya. And then guardian.
Ngasuh.
Guardian. Toko kosmetik di mall.
Miss wali gitu.
Toko kosmetik di mall itu loh, guardian. guardian. Itu bacanya bukan guardian, guardian.
Wali.
Mm-mm.
Wali.
Ya, guardian. Ya, itu salah ketik saya. Harusnya guardian tulisannya. Tapi artinya wali, guardian. Bacanya guardian. Family tree.
Pohon keluarga.
Silsilah
Silsilah.
keluarga, pohon keluarga. And then the next ada siblings.
Saudara kandung.
Saudara kandung, siblings, widow or widower.
Janda.
Tanda.
Kok langsung ada yang jawab janda? Kenceng banget.
Ada
Kalau
rokoknya.
widow and widower.
Duda.
Duda. Janda dan duda semakin di depan, ya. Ya, widower itu duda. Kalau jandanya widow.
Oh.
Widow, jandanya.
Kalau
Gitu.
widowati, Miss.
Enggak tahu. Kalau di tempat saya, di kampung saya itu nama hotel. Widowati. Gimana? Itu di kampung saya namanya hotel itu. Hotel Widowati. Udah di pertigaan tuh terkenal banget itu Hotel Widowati. Lokal. Nah, bangunannya lama banget itu. Since I was a kid sampai sekarang kalau saya pulang, aduh kok masih ada lagi almost 40 years ini hotel gak bangkrut gitu. Ya, so only child
Anak
tuh.
tunggal.
Anak tunggal.
Sis Noni itu ya, sama kayak nama anak saya, Noni.
Ya,
Bela- Belakangnya kayak gitarnya Dewa Bujana anak saya ini. My husband is a big fan of Dewa Bujana, anaknya kasih nama kayak gitarnya Dewa
siapa
Bujana.
itu? Siapa, Miss?
Saraswati.
Oh,
Saraswati.
80S.
kayak nama orang Bali ya.
Iya, kan Dewa Bujana orang Bali. Gitarnya itu kan
Iya,
banyak ukirannya itu kan namanya Saraswati.
iya. Itu deh, kayak
Makanya
gitu.
anaknya dikasih Saraswati. Saya bilang, aduh, jangan sang sekerta, ibunya aja gaul pakai bahasa Inggris, boleh nggak kasih bahasa Inggris? Nggak, katanya. Anak saya nggak boleh dikasih bahasa Inggris namanya. So sad. Jadi namanya jauh banget anak saya ini. Aduh nak, mohon maaf ya, makmu yang gaul saya bilang gitu. Nama saya itu kekinian banget guys. Nah, mau sampai sekarang
Iya.
kalau dikasih ke nama anak masih kekinian. Praise, kalau bahasa Indonesia bacanya Praise, Evelina. Keren kan? Evelina
Keren
Nur
banget.
Hadi. Nur Hadi my father's name. Nah, oke, single parent. Ini mak
Orang
saya.
tua
Dua
tunggal.
Iya,
tunggal.
mak saya udah single parent itu, ya.
I'm
Sama,
too.
mama saya juga.
Ya, because my father passed away. Wah, ya, ibu saya tuh true love story ya, my father and my father, my mother and my father. True love story itu. My father was getting sick, but he didn't want. He couldn't be far away from my mom. Terus kalau digantiin nggak mau sama anak-anaknya. Pokoknya ibu. My mom nih twin
Kembar.
kembar. Ada yang kembar di sini?
Matching.
No, oke. Twin lineage.
Garis keturunan.
Asal.
Garis keturunan. Ya, wedding,
Pernikahan.
Pernikahan.
resepsi. Ya, wedding party. But marriage,
Baru pernikahan.
Pernikahan.
perkawinannya setelah menikah. Wah, itu pasti banyak. Itulah, ya. Udah. Oke, Bro Aul boleh baca number 1 till number 6. 1 till 6, oke?
I'm come from a small. Oh, ini milih, Miss.
Iya, terserah mau di
I come from a small family.
boleh.
There are seven people in my family. I have 5 siblings, and my brother name is Kyrie,
Mhm.
and name is my brother. Name is he lives
Mhm.
in Jambi,
Mhm.
and captionnya apa, Miss?
Apa? Pekerjaan.
He is a student. He is a
Mhm.
student. I look like my dad. My dad. We both have blue eyes and fair hair. Fair hair. My little sister looks like me. She has a flat nose and chubby cheek.
Sabjik.
Chubby cheek.
Mhm.
Until number berapa,
Six,
Miss?
six, 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 six. Already six. Okay,
Okay, enough.
Sis Wulandari, please, number 7 till 12.
I'm very different from my mom. She is talkative and doesn't like to wait for anything, but I'm very shy and patient. Number 8, my sister likes staying at home and cooking, but I prefer gardening and outdoor activities. My brother enjoys playing sport, but I prefer reading and watching movies. We always have lunch and or dinner together at the weekend. Sometimes we go away from the weekend. For the
Okay.
weekend, we don't
We
see
can.
each other very often, but I try to call my parents once a week. I live near my sister, so we meet for coffee every day. Every week.
Thank you. Every week, every day, coffee. Yeah, why do not have my coffee? Kayaknya saya nggak bisa having class at 9, 10, 11, you know. Okay. Any question before we go to the breakout room?
Miss mau nanya dong, Miss.
Apa?
Perbedaan kita, kapan kita pakai kids, kapan kita pakai child, Miss. Child aja, bukan children.
Child kan satu. Kalau kid itu secara general. Kids itu meaningnya kids itu as a general gitu loh. Nah, a child atau young person itu namanya kid. Kalau child itu you have a relation. Nah, a child itu same as it's same. Nah, it's same between kids and a child.
Maybe
Sama aja.
it is a synonym, right?
Synonym, ya. That is synonym. Kalau banyaknya kidnya kan tambahin S. Kalau
Yeah.
child banyaknya ditambahin dengan dren.
Yeah, I think kids also more child and children more more formal. Kid for kids informal. Jadi santai gitu loh.
Ya, child, this is talking about something. Both here meaningnya young person yang belum adult, anak-anak yang belum adult, yang belum teenager lah, kita bilangnya child or kid. And when you use child, it means that when you have a formal meeting, when you meet, when you are a teacher gitu. Nah, itu pakainya child. There are 7 children in my class. Nah, gitu. Kalau kid itu casual.
Yeah.
Like that one. Sama. Penggunaannya sama.
Tapi kids tuh kayak anak kita sendiri gitu, kalau children anak orang gitu ya.
Bukan. Penggunaannya sama, sister. Hanya kalau formal kita bilangnya children. Kalau kids itu ya semi formal. Casual, bukan informal. Casual, nyantai lah. Dua-duanya bisa digunakan dalam speaking. No problem. You can say there are 7 kids in my school. Example-nya, there are 7 children in my school. Sama aja. Usage-nya sama, artinya sama. Sinonim. Mhm. Oke.
Yeah, and also when we met someone new, we can tell our children as a child or children gitu ya.
Mhm. Ya, kalau itu biasanya pakainya child. Kalau satu, kalau banyak ya children. Gitu. Udah. My mother sister is my number
My
one.
aunt,
And
my
number
aunt,
two.
my
Nephew.
daughter's brother,
My daughter's brother is my
niece.
my son.
Hah?
Mengartikannya gini. My daughter's brother. Saudara laki-laki anak perempuanku. Jadi ke depan.
My
Dari
niece dong, Miss.
saudara laki-laki anak perempuanku. Aku punya anak perempuan.
Anak
Anak
perempuan
perempuanku.
lakiku.
Kebalik, sister. Nerjemahinnya dari brothernya. My daughter's brother, gitu dibalik. Itu saudara laki-laki dari anak perempuanku. Kalau yang atas kan my mother's sister is my saudara.
Saudara
kan?
ibu saya.
Ya, saudara perempuan ibu saya. Ya, yang bawah juga gitu artinya. Saudara laki-laki anak perempuanku adalah
Son.
ya, my son. Terus my father's daughter is
My sister.
Mom is
Wife.
Wife of my
Mom is the wife of my father. Terus
And they are my parents.
my
parents.
parents.
Ada F-nya. Number 6, my sister's son is my
Nephew.
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 N-E-F bacanya.
Nephew.
Nephew. My aunt son or daughter is my
Cousin.
My cousin.
sabun.
Cousin.
Sabun bayi.
Cousin.
Udah, sabun bayi. My daughter's brother is my
Uncle.
uncle. Next.
My father's brother is
Grandma.
my uncle.
Grandmother.
My father.
Grandfather. Number 10.
My daughter's son is
My
grandson.
grandson. Yeah. Number 11.
My brother's daughter is my niece.
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 And then number 12.
My sister husband is
my
brother-in-law.
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 Number 13.
My brother.
Sister-in-law.
Yeah. My brother's wife is
my sister.
14.
That is
That is
my
Husband of my mother.
husband of my
Yeah.
mother.
That is the husband of my mother. That is the ATM of my mother. Tapi bapak saya udah pass away. Nggak ada lagi ya ATM-nya ibu saya ini udah di surga dia. Udah. Yeah. Sometimes losing I got stressed until 7 months when my father passed away in 2023. 7 bulan saya stres bapak saya meninggal itu. Nggak terima. Dia tuh like that one.
Oh, it's just 3 years ago,
Yeah,
Miss.
yeah. 2023. At the age of 90, 90 tahun bapak saya meninggal. Yeah, I love him. Yeah, I miss him. So in front of my working room here, in front of me is not my husband picture or my wife, my daughter picture, my father and me. This one I put the picture of my father. Ada ini foto keluarga ini, foto bapak saya sama saya nih, kan saya kerja. And my daughter say, kenapa itu kasih foto opa di situ? Nggak apa-apa lah. Mana fotoku? Ah, itu di handphone aja. You di handphone aja. I say to my daughter. Okay, any question, guys? No question.
No question, Miss.
Are you the eldest, the youngest, or the middle?
Pardon?
Are you the eldest, the youngest, or the middle, guys? I am
I'm
the
the
third
youngest.
child.
I don't know.
I am the only child.
Oh, yeah, I'm the only child.
Mm-mm.
The first and the end child.
The first and the end, yeah. How many people are there in your family?
Just 3.
Oh, 3. Okay. So I have already made 20 questions different from this one. You can talk about your family with your friend in the breakout room. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Please join the breakout room. Right. Talking about breakout room. Talking about our topic today. Go. Go, guys, go, guys. In the breakout room. Yuk, cepat.
Halo Miss.
Bro, what happened? Ya, bro, what happened?
Tadi di ruangan saya ini Miss, temennya lagi hujan deras jadi nggak kedengaran.
Oh, you want to move to another group?
Yes,
Okay,
on.
please join there. Okay, please join there, guys. Okay, I will move you to another room. Go, 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 go. guys, kenapa Anda di sini, guys? Tidak join breakout room, guys. Why, guys? Hai, guys. Temannya pada enjoy loh di breakout room. Kok teman-teman ini silent di main session ini berempat. Mading sama saya. Hai. Hai. Hai, hai, hai.
Hai, Miss.
Ya, how was your breakout
Hai,
room?
Miss.
Gimana breakout roomnya?
Miss,
Breakout
why
roomnya
did I
sebentar
move
tadi ya,
room?
Miss. Kayaknya
Apa?
terlalu sebentar.
Kurang
Terlalu
waktunya.
sebentar ya tadi.
Terlalu sebentar. 30 menit tahu?
Oh ya. Oke,
Oh
oke.
iya.
Lama
Miss,
tadi perasaan.
why did I move room?
Iya, biar praktis.
Oh,
Tapi you tidak praktis kan?
practice, Miss.
Kenapa saya pindah room? Karena satu room tadi ada yang 7. Makanya saya bentuk lagi di room 4 itu kosong, nggak ada orangnya. There weren't any participant wants to practice in that room. So I move kayak, oh ini ngomong tapi tiba-tiba mute, saya pindah. Oh berarti ini butuh ngomong, butuh ngomong, butuh ngomong. Maka terbentuklah room 4, ada Sis Lydia, Mahardika yang nggak join, Sis Neta, Sis Sinta yang nggak join, sama Sis Juli Bandung, ya kan? So you have an opportunity, adil. Segrup isinya 5 sama 4, jadi punya kesempatan untuk practice the conversation.
Just
gitu.
3.
Ya, yang 2 tidak gabung, kan saya bilang gitu.
Okay.
Yang 2 lagi ke kantin.
Lydia in room 5.
Iya. Oh, gitu. Jadi saya lihat tadi kok kalau dibagi jadi 6 sama 7 kebanyakan. Makanya ada yang aktif saya pindah. Jadi room sendiri, biarpun 3 orang atau 2 orang still run the conversation gitu. Ya kan, Sis Neta tadi kena pindah kan? Ya nanti saya lihat itu. Kan saya
pindah ya? Nggak tahu saya, Miss.
Saya supervise you. Aku tuh ngamatin teman-teman. Yang silent doang. Ada yang silent. Gabung tapi silent ada di breakout room itu ada. Ya kan? Ada temennya dipanggil-panggil gak jawab. Tapi as far as this class ini berapa ini? 24 orang, 25 orang sampai 20. Pokoknya 30 orang yang minggu kedua ini join itu udah aktif semuanya. Stable, aktifnya itu stabil. Semuanya communication, iya kan? Di breakout room.
Ya.
So you feel like, aduh kok kurang waktunya 30 menit loh. Terus mau berapa? 1 jam. Ya nggak apa-apa sih. Kalau next week saya nggak punya kelas, is no problem. Sometimes ada yang ambil kelas jam 10, guys. Jam 10 malam gitu. Ini untung-untung aja saya seminggu ini kan nggak ada kelas, makanya bisa add you sampai 10:30. Udah, any question? Aku mau nonton Korea. Saya udah tidur, masalahnya udah tidur dulu. Kalau nggak ada pertanyaan, so let's meet on Monday. Kita mau ngomongin future tense and future dream.
Oke.
Minggu depan itu banyak pembahasan tenses. Jadi dari future tense, terus past tense, terus nanti praktisnya ini 3 hari ini kita ngomongin tentang present tense, future tense, dan past tense.
Oke, Miss.
Yeah. Thank you so much for this evening. Happy weekend. See you on Monday. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.